How can you write a winning LinkedIn About section, and why should you take it seriously? Because the About section is a crucial part of your LinkedIn profile. It can literally make or break a deal for you. Yep, that's the potential of it. Mind you, it is a golden opportunity to leave a strong impression. Then just tell me, why should you let go of such a golden opportunity, right? Trust me, it deserves all the effort. So take your time to craft your LinkedIn About section. Do not take it, casually. While writing your LinkedIn About section, there are few things that you should keep in mind, and that's what in today's video I'm gonna cover. I will share 8 steps which will help you to write winning LinkedIn summary. Puja is a professional content writer. She has an experience of 2 years. Yeah, avoid writing like this. Basically, avoid writing in third person. Instead, write something like this. For example, if I talk about me in first person, then it would be something like, I'm Puja Das, I'm a professional content writer with experience of 2 years in writing long form blogs. Okay, ask yourself this, do you like reading, big paragraphs one after another? No, right? But to avoid writing big paragraphs together, give enough space, Example of my LinkedIn About section, you see that arrow pointing, right? So yep, that's the blank spaces which I am talking about. So make sure to leave necessary blank spaces. Why are you on LinkedIn? Yeah, ask yourself while writing your About section. So basically, number 3 is to keep your end goal in mind while writing your About section. So let me make it more easier for you to understand. Who are you? Are you a student? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you an employee? Or are you a freelancer? And what do you want out of LinkedIn? Why are you on LinkedIn? Basically, ask yourself that. If I give you my example, I'm a freelancer and my end goal is to generate lead for my freelance business, and I have crafted my About section aligning with my end goal. Number 4, while writing your About section, add keywords as well. That increases the chances of appearing on search results. If you want to learn in detail how you can incorporate keywords in your LinkedIn profile, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified when I make a detailed video on this topic. So moving ahead, number 5 is to let your personality shine. Basically, don't forget that your LinkedIn About section is about you, right? So just let your personality shine through. So now imagine somebody has read your About section and that person is very much impressed, okay, and maybe have some opportunity or maybe want to talk something that can be mutually beneficial. So person read the complete About section. There is no mention of how that person can contact you. That's why you shouldn't forget to add CTA, call to action, at the last of your LinkedIn summary. Here's an example of CTA. Basically, you have to mention your preferred way of contacting you. So once you are done writing your LinkedIn About section, take some time to proofread it. So number 7 is to proofread your LinkedIn About section. Basically, you need to ensure that there aren't any grammatical errors or double space between words, etc. And number 8 is to keep updating your LinkedIn About section as your experience grows, and keep experimenting too. Updating the LinkedIn summary is something neglected by so many people, but this is super important to keep your LinkedIn summary up to date. So yeah, that was it for today's video. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also, do not forget to hit on the bell icon. Keep striving, keep shining. See you until then.